Hello explorers! Today we're going to learn how to do wood burning. Make sure that you have your piece of wood, a pencil, safety goggles, and your wood burning tool. The first thing you want to do on your piece of wood with a pencil is draw or write the design you want to burn on the wood. All right, and now we are ready to use the wood burning tools. But first, I need to put some hand sanitizer on my hands. I'm gonna rub it on my hands until it all dries to make sure that my hands are nice and clean. Then I'm gonna put on the leather gloves. We need to put on these leather gloves to protect our hands. The wood burning tool gets really hot. And if we accidentally touch it on our hands, it's really going to hurt. Now, we do need to pick up the tool, so watch carefully. I only pick up the tool on the green plastic part because the metal part of this wood burning tool is really hot. I almost forgot, we have one more piece of equipment to wear, and those are your safety goggles. These are going to protect your eyes from the hot wood burning tool. Remember, we do not touch the metal part of this tool. All right, here comes the fun part of wood burning. I'm going to put the end, the hot part of this tool, on the wood, and I'm going to slowly and carefully trace what I drew. Now, I do not have to push down on this tool. I just gently lay it on the wood and I drag it like I'm tracing something with a pencil, except this tool gets really hot. Remember, that's why we're wearing leather gloves. Sometimes I turn my piece of wood so I can get a better angle to trace. You'll also notice, do you see that steam or that smoke coming off of the tool and the piece of wood? That's another sign that this tool gets really hot, so we have to be careful. I finished the top of my design. Now I'm going to start tracing my name and the other pieces of my design. I think you have the hang of it, so I'm going to speed up this video so you can see me burn the rest of my design, but it's going to go a lot faster. Some of the letters in my name have curved parts on them, and I can tell you that curved parts of a design are a little more tricky to burn in wood. So be patient and take your time. If you have any curves in your name or in your design, it might take just a little more time for you to trace it with the wood burning tool. All right, it's almost your turn to test out your wood burning skills. Do you remember all of the things you need for wood burning? Your pencil, your wood, the wood burning tool, leather gloves, and your safety goggles. All right, explorers, I can't wait to see what you can do with the wood burning tools.